of my beloved teachers, and I felt very happy to share the biography of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Garu on this occasion of Teachers' Day. So let's start the video. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born in Telugu-speaking Niyogi Brahmin family in Tirutani of Chittoor district. His father's name was Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and his mother's name was Sarvepalli Sithamma. His family hails from Sarvepalli village in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. His earlier years were spent almost in Tirutani and Tirupati. His father was subordinate revenue official in the service of the local zamindar. His primary education was at KV High School in Tirupani. In 1896, he moved to the Hermannsburg Evangelical Lutheran Mission School in Tirupati and Government Higher Secondary School in Baraslet. One of the most Indian distinguished 20th century scholars of comparative religion and philosophy. After completing his education at Madras Christian College in 1911, and he became the assistant professor and later professor of philosophy at Madras Presidency College, subsequently professor of philosophy at University of Mysore. He became the first Indian to hold the professor chair at the University of Oxford, and then he was the Upton lecturer in Manchester College, Oxford in 1926, 1929 and 1930. In 1930, he was appointed as a Haskell lecturer in comparative religion at the University of Chicago. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was married to Sivakamu, a distant cousin, at the age of 16. As per the tradition, the marriage was arranged by the family. The couple had 5 daughters and 1 son, that Sarvepalli Gopal. He went to a notable career as a historian. They were married for over 51 years, and Sivakamu was died on 26 November 1956. I will show one slideshow for you on the great personality of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Garu. Let's watch it. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan sir started his political career rather late in life, after his successful academic career. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan sir did not have any background of Congress party, nor he actively participated in struggles against the Britishers, and he is the politician in shadow. His motivation lay under the pride of the Hindu culture, and he was defense of Hinduism against the uninformed Western criticism. According to the historian Donald McCance Brown was said about the Dr. Radhakrishnan sir he had always defended the Hinduism and against the Western criticism, and symbolized that he was the pride of the Indians on their intellectual traditions. When he became the second president of our India, some of his students and friends allowed them to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. He replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if the 5th September is observed as a Teachers' Day." His birthday since been celebrated as a Teachers' Day in India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was awarded so many awards during his life, including knighthood in 1931 and Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India, in 1954, and honorary membership of British Royal Orders of Merit in 1963. And he was also one of the founders of Helpage India. He believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. Since 1962, his birthday was celebrated as a Teachers' Day in India. I want to show one more slideshow on this great personality. Let's watch it. Such a great personality and a great teacher. In this occasion, I want to recollect some memories with my beloved teachers. In every year, we have celebrated our Teachers' Day in a great manner, but today is somehow difficult. But also, I greet to all teachers, especially my teachers. Personally, I am very happy Teachers' Day to all of you, and I am very thankful to you to share your knowledge to all of us. And this is all because of you what we are today. I'll show some pictures when we are celebrated Teachers' Day in a great manner. Watch it and enjoy it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. Bye friends.